work it harder, make it better, do it faster, makes us stronger, more than ever after.
Man, stop.
Hey guys, in today's video you'll learn how to mute a video in TunesKit AceMovi. Here I've got a footage of trains passing by with squeaking sound. And the first method to mute the video is by right-click on the video track and then click Detach Audio, and the audio track will be separated from the video. And now all you need to do is simply delete the audio track and the video will be silent without any sound. And the second method is to click the video track on the timeline and then go to the top right panel, choose audio, simply drag the volume slider to 0. In this way you'll be able to silence the video without removing the audio track. And the third method, you can play around with this fade in and fade out effects to decide which part of the video you want to mute. By dragging the fade in slider, you can smoothly mute the video from the start. And with this fade out slider, you'll be able to remove the track from the end. And the last but not least, once you mute the audio, the video will be displayed without any sound, which will be kinda boring for most of the viewers. In this case, you can go to the audio library of TunesKit AceMovi and choose a copyright-free song for your video. Once you're fine with the results, click export and save the video to your computer in any format you want. And that's the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.